We bought these Zippy Paw unstuffed chew toys for our small puppy. She's 8 weeks old and she has teeth on her, let me tell you. What's good about these is that they do not have stuffing, so it's not something that she's going to try to get into and pull out, but it's a great tug toy and something that we can play with together. There is a squeaker here, and then there is a squeaker right here in the head as well to keep them entertained. It does come in a pack of 3, and the fur, if you can see, oh, there's actually a squeaker right here too. Here's the fur. As you can see, it's very soft and plush. It comes in a pack of 3, and they're pretty long. I would say maybe 1.5 feet. So great for a little tug toy so your fingers are not going to get in the way. We would highly recommend.